Welcome to Learn and Create Code. Today we are doing challenge number 10. We're calculating the sum of numbers in an array of numbers. So it didn't give us a specific array, so I decided to choose my own array. So this is the array that I have. Oh, I could change it. Actually, let's not have a specific array. Let's leave it to the user to decide. So we can create a function that takes in any array, but let's just leave this one here so that I can just explain. So we want an array that we want a function that will take in an array like this, and it will add all the different numbers in it. So we're gonna have, so let's say we have a function. We're gonna call it some array. Then it's gonna take the array. Then we're gonna open a bracket, and now we're going to continue this. We're now going to use a for loop for this. So we would want a variable to store the total. So we're going to have a variable sum, and then we're going to make it equal to 0. Then we're going to have a for loop for variable I. With variable I, so this I that we have here is the one that's going to help us move within this array. So the value of I will be the position of these values that we have. So this position is position 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we want it to move from position 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 and to 5 to the last one that we have. So I will start at 0. And then we want I to be less than, so here you see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. Then the length of this array is 6. So if we say let's just say I is less than r dot length, the length of this array in this case will be 6. Then if we want it to be less, that means it will take 5, which is correct, since when we are dealing with positions we start at 0. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be position it'll be position 5. We have 5, although we have 6 digits. So I has to be less than the length of the array that we have, just 1 digit less. Then let's move on, and then after every iteration I, we have to increase I by 1. Then we're gonna have our sum. We're going to add this to our variable sum. So we have a and the position. So you see, this is what we have here. We have so being for the first one, when we have 0, a is 0 will be this element. Then when it increases by 1, we then we'll get 2, we'll get 1. Then when it's position 1, we go here. Then when it's position 3, we'll go to 6 over there. Then so now so this is what we'll have. Then what we want to return, we want to return sum, and then say console dot log. Let's see if this works. Okay. Oh, I always forget this. I don't know why. It's not yet there, but I'm sure when we get to challenge 50, I'll be a master of this. Okay, so let's try to run this. Ooh, we get an error. Console dot. Oh, okay. When we run the console.log, we are supposed to put in. We're supposed to. This is a function. We have to call the function. So let's create a variable. Let's just say call, and then it'll be equal to sum array, and we're gonna put in our array there. Let's put it there. Control copy, then Control V, and then console.log call. And then let's try this now. Control S, and let's clear this, and let's try to run this. Something is wrong today. Let's see. Oh, it's R. Sorry, so let's control save this and let's clear this and let's run. Oh yes, we get a 38. Yes, 3 plus 5. I did run this in the calculator and it's supposed to be 38. So be careful when naming your variables and try to verify your work before you you, you run. But that's the learning process. So now we can check their solution to see how they did it. So let's do that. So I did check out their solution and we have similar solutions. So thank you. Catch you on the next challenge.